Hey there, Asterisk. Are you working hard but still feel like your money disappears before the month ends? Asterisk, you're not alone, and the truth is, saving money in 2025 feels harder than ever. But here's the good news. Asterisk, in this video, I'm giving you 8 powerful and practical money-saving tips that actually work. Even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Asterisk, these aren't just random hacks. They're real strategies that can help you keep more money in your pocket starting today. Asterisk. So if you're tired of wondering where did all my money go, stick around till the end, because tip number 7 might completely change how you spend money. Asterisk, let's dive in. Asterisk 1. Track every dollar you spend. Asterisk. Most people feel like their money just vanishes, and the truth is, it does if you don't track it. Asterisk, start by recording every expense, no matter how small. You can use free apps like Mint, Pocket Guard, or even a simple notebook. Asterisk, once you see where your money goes, like daily coffee, snacks, or random online buys, you'll notice patterns and start cutting back. Asterisk, you can't fix what you can't see. Asterisk 2. Create a budget. You can stick to asterisk. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about having a plan. Without a plan, your money controls you. Asterisk, use the 50-30-20 rule as a simple guide. Asterisk 50% for needs, rent, bills, groceries. Asterisk 30% for wants, entertainment. Shopping. 20% for savings and debt. Make it realistic. If your budget is too strict, you won't stick to it. Asterisk, your goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Asterisk 3. Stop impulse spending. Impulse purchases are silent savings killers. You see something on sale and think you're saving money, but if you didn't plan to buy it, you're actually spending money. Asterisk, use the 24-hour rule. Wait one day before buying anything unplanned. Asterisk, most of the time, you'll realize you didn't really need it. That pause creates better habits and protects your wallet. Asterisk 4. Eat more at home. Ordering food seems convenient, but adds up fast. Spending $10 to $15 on takeout a few times a week can cost you hundreds per month. Asterisk, cooking at home is not only cheaper, but healthier too. Asterisk, plan your meals ahead, batch cook, and shop smart with a grocery list. Asterisk, even if you just cut takeout in half, you'll notice major savings in just 1 month. Asterisk 5. Cancel useless subscriptions. Check your bank statement. Are you still paying for Netflix, Spotify, or that gym you haven't visited in months? Asterisk, subscriptions feel small but add up fast. $10 here, $20 there. Cancel anything you don't actively use. If you're unsure, pause the service and see if you miss it. Asterisk, if not, keep it canceled and enjoy the extra money. Asterisk 6. Save small. Save often. You don't need to save thousands right away. Just start with $5 or $10 a week. Asterisk, that's a coffee or snack you skip, and over time, it grows. Use apps that automatically round up your purchases and save the change. Tiny amounts make a huge difference over a year. Asterisk, the key is to build the habit, not the amount. Asterisk 7. Use cash or debit, not credit. Asterisk, credit cards make it too easy to overspend because you're not using your own money, you're borrowing. Asterisk, stick to cash or a debit card, so you can only spend what you actually have. Asterisk, some people use the envelope method. They set aside cash for groceries, gas, entertainment, and stop spending when it's gone. Asterisk, it works like a charm to keep your spending in check. Asterisk 8. Build an emergency fund. Asterisk, life throws surprises, car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Having an emergency fund gives you security and peace of mind. Start small. Even $500 can make a huge difference in a tough moment. Asterisk, set a long-term goal of 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Asterisk, keep this fund in a separate savings account so you're not tempted to dip into it. Asterisk final reminder. Asterisk, saving money isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Asterisk, it's about having control over your life, your future, and your freedom. Asterisk, which of these tips are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments. Asterisk, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real-world